Good morning, good morning. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the London session live stream. This is your host, Connor Abrams. Hope everybody's had a good week so far. It's Friday today, so we'll just see what's cracking here in the markets. And we'll try to finish off strong. Or we will finish off strong, let's say. So let's start on GJ. Let's get this out of the way. I don't really like what GJ is doing right now in terms of actually looking for trades. We are starting to pull back here. So I believe you're pulling back to set up for better buys. So in this pullback phase, it's a little bit tricky. You're moving into a very ugly range. If we are breaking below the current levels, give me a second. If we are breaking below the current levels where we are right now, I think we'll most likely see deeper pullbacks to 165,500. Now, we've also got news today for the pound. So we've got retail sales in an hour. And then we've got PMI later this morning. So I like to be off here by about 10. You know, I don't want to keep the stream too long. I don't want to sit at the charts for too long. So I don't think I'll be here for GBP PMI. We'll see what retail sales brings, but I think the markets will probably want to wait for PMI as well. So it will be interesting on GJ, but I'm not really liking what I'm seeing. For the members, I didn't even send a GJ breakdown. Like, I just look at this and, you know, if there was no stream, if there were no members, and I only traded GJ, I would not trade this morning. I'd close my chart, I'd go on with my day. But gold, on the other hand, I really like what I'm seeing. On the daily, okay, I don't like what I'm seeing on the daily, that's for sure. These candles are literally printing side by side. The whole week, we haven't closed above or below basically 1994 and 2005. So we could just zoom out a time frame here. Based off the weekly, we failed to break above weekly highs. We've come into that area multiple times. So right here, this is in and around the weekly highs. So we've come into this area 3 times and failed to break higher. And you can see these signs of rejection, and you can see on this current 4-hour candle a bit of volume coming into the downside. So I'm just going to go based off the 4-hour here and say that I think the sells are looking pretty good. Of course, if we are breaking above the weekly highs, then above 2014, we don't look too bad to drive up there. So those are the only real possibilities I see for buys right now. Above 2014, at least for this session. Otherwise, through Asian session, we were pretty slow, choppy here on gold. But like I say, this current 4-hour, we'll be seeing a little bit of volume coming in into pre-London. And I like that. I like that setup pre-London. 8-hour new story here, but the 8 hours closing coming into London open. So it also is just a higher time frame perspective between the 4-hour and the daily. And I quite like looking at the 8 hours. So looking at that, essentially we've had a fake out of this level right here on the 8 hour. So all in all, that looks pretty good. On the 30-minute, we've got support at 1992. Sorry, 1999.2. But looking here at the hourly, arguably you've got support at 2001. And we've closed below there. So I could potentially just wait for a top wick on the 4 hour and then get the impulse entries on the break of the low of previous 4 hour. Otherwise, you know, the safer sell idea is maybe just to wait for a break of this support. Dollar index just ranging, but is holding the support and showing some strength this morning. So that supports the idea of these sells here. We might just see this rip down as it breaks previous 4 hour lows, but I would like to wait for a steeper top wick on the 4 hour, and if not, then like I say, sells below 1999.2 is fine. So I'll wait for, you know, the next 15 or 30 minutes, see how price is forming here. Morning, everybody. Welcome. Nico, you say 420 was rough, eh?
Just my throat, bro, for obvious reasons. So yeah.
Sucking too much.
I was waiting for someone to turn that one up there. Oh, just GJ and gold, bro. Not NAS 100.
I used to trade NAS. I used to only trade NAS.
Only NAS. I remember. I used to only trade gold. You used to only trade NAS. You remember that?
Yeah.
Fucking. That's long ago, dude. Shit.
Yeah, that actually was some time ago now.
Did you ever bring up again when we said that we've been trading for a fifth of our lives?
Yeah,
Jared, you ever think?
I think someone asked just yesterday, and I said, yeah, I've been actually trading for like a fifth of my life. It's crazy to think about.
It's crazy. Mad, dude. Like when I brought that statistic up when we were speaking about it in person, and we thought about it, I was like, nah, fuck. How to join New York session, Jared?
You should be able to see there's a pinned message in the chat. So I've just made a newsletter, a Monster Money newsletter, which I'll send out every Sunday. So if you subscribe to that, one subscriber this week, I think let's maybe call it at the end of the session if I don't forget, otherwise on Monday, I'll pick one subscriber and they can join a New York session for the day. So basically a giveaway.
Yeah,
But
but other than that, it's
if you do want to join the New York session on a daily basis, you can have a look at our memberships. I don't know if Jared's going to send the link there, but there's a link in the video description as well for the Patreon.
no, I don't think he's here. He might be busy or something. I'm getting coffee.
No, I'm here.
Useless. Fucking useless. Yeah.
Only for one day. Bro, it's a giveaway.
Bro, it's a paid membership. Like, you can't come in for more than one day. Like, it's just to show people like what it's about. That's it.
The membership in and of itself is basically a giveaway. $60 for daily sessions, both sessions. Obviously, the London session's available to the free community as well. But we stay on afterwards with members to discuss anything that they want to discuss. So you're getting that time and attention. Some people are out here charging like $300 for a one-on-one. You're paying $60 for a month, and you can get a one-on-one when you want. So the membership in and of itself is basically a giveaway. You know what I mean? Don't give away too much. Okay, we did create a steeper top wick here on the 4-hour, retesting that 2001 level. I think I'll maybe just wait for the 15 to close.
Where are you gonna sell from?
Break of the lows here.
What's
Depends.
the number? You're waiting for 99 to get broken? Or you waiting for that 15?
I'm just waiting to see how it closes and everything.
Okay. But the only time you've ever seen a 1 hour stream from us or Zoom call from us is if the trade's already played out and we've made our money. So
yeah, I mean, normally the streams are like 2 hours or so. I think New York, I think New York actually runs a bit longer normally. But yeah, the only time you'll ever see like a 1 hour stream is if, let's say, we catch a trade now, it plays out in the next hour. What's the point of sitting here any longer? GBPJPY, look, I don't even want to look. It looks like shit.
yeah, no, I'm gonna go get coffee, bro. That's 30 chisaying, yeah. Yo.
Put some honey in there.
Put some what?
Honey in your coffee.
Honey. Oh, fuck, bro. I heard onion. I was like, what the fuck are you saying to me, bro?
Jeez, bro.
Oh, well, fuck me. Okay. Be back in a bit.
Sure. XRP, look. Bro, you also need to look at some weird shit today. I've never looked at XRP and I probably never will. If you guys do want my opinion on anything, for whatever reason, send the chart to the Discord. I'll even have a look at XRP for you, but send a chart to the Discord. It makes life a lot easier for both of us. But I have no idea about XRP, so it's going to be very difficult for me to give real input, you know? I trade New York with the members. Alright, so I just wanted to wait for a 15-minute candle yet to be a little bit safer. But the idea is 4-hour candle forms a top wick, break previous 4-hour lows, and we drive down here. So if this 15 closes, you know, just like that, I don't mind the idea of sells on the break of the lows. So I don't have a sell stop in yet. If we do push, I'm not getting in. Waiting for the 15 close. So essentially something like that. Let's just see how the 15-minute closes. May even need to wait for the 30-minute closing below 19.99. I'm not too concerned about that level though, moving down. Volume is gonna come in hot here. Okay, so 15-minute candle may even close below 19.90, and then I think it's gone. So let's see.
What is that? That's it.
No, I wish. So what I'm thinking here is similar to the 4-hour impulse entry idea, because we can see this volume coming in. So break of basically these lows we formed yesterday in New York session. So yeah, let's see, 15-minute candle's got 1 more minute here, coming in hot. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of the lows from yesterday New York session at 19.99. Stop loss will be at 201.6. For about 26 pips. Did I say 201? I meant 2001.6. 2001.65. people pass challenges with your trades on YouTube? Personally, I've passed a challenge with my trades on YouTube. I'm watching your stream past 6 months and learned so much from your videos. Can you show me a P&L to motivate us? Nah, bro, I don't want to get robbed. I live in South Africa. Are you in? No. Not in just yet, sorry. Let me mark this up. So I'll stop at 1990. 1999. BE level. I think 1996.7 will be fair. That at least gives you a 1-to-1 to the break-even point. Pretty much similar trade idea to Wednesday's trade. Right, so as soon as we break this low here to the left from 5 o'clock yesterday, I'll be in here.
Can I talk to you?
Yeah?
I'm gonna send you something on WhatsApp. It stays between me and you. If you want something, let me know. Okay.
Okay. Oh, I wonder what that could possibly be about.
Oh, you're gonna love it. You're just gonna be like, wow, Nico, Christmas so early.
Today Forex news? What about today Forex news? What, bro? Where did you get this?
And it's just stay between us, bro, because that's obviously, you know,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah, deal. No, I won't say anything.
Just let me know about the end of it. Okay.
Oh, we're solid. No, I'll definitely get something.
Sweet. Let
Yeah,
me just
Nico,
message
now
Jared.
you've made me lekker na
I got
skielig.
you. I got you. I'm gonna message you,
Yep.
bro. I'm gonna message you.
Sorted. Sorted, bud. I'm gonna get that shit in bulk.
GDP. Oh, I see. Okay.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
No, I didn't send it to him because it's pointless to send that to him. I just told him what it is.
Oh.
Wait, now I also want to know.
You could literally did the equivalent of, bro. Yes, listen to this. And then you're like, yeah. And he's like, oh, never mind. 114 people here this morning.
He opened a bag of chips and he didn't share any.
It's like someone taking out a fucking chappies, bro, at school or at a party. Ah, you must know, bro. If it's a fresh pack, it's finished in seconds, dude.
Yeah, if you have extra, you
Bro,
just
at a
slide
job.
your best mate. You slide your best mate on, but you keep that thing secret from everyone else.
You just fucking, bro, I'll just walk past you and be like, oh, wait, Con. I've seen you like 10 times. Shake your hand and give you a bubby in your fucking hand, bro. Straight. That's the only way to do it. Else, yo, that light of a Joel catches your fucking wrap of your bubble gum so nice. It's like it reflects to everyone to see, bro. And then it's
It's like they hear it opening.
bro, it's done off. It's like a packet of chips in a silent room, bro. Impossible to fucking open that fucking thing without anyone. Impossible, bro. I don't give a fuck who you are. You'll never open that thing in silence. Trust me, I've tried. Matric exams, bro. Me and One Gums were friends, bro. You know, I have to open that thing in my blazer with one hand, quietly. Jesus, no, that was struggles, bro. I'll never forget, bro. You know, Matric, you know, when you write your essays and stuff,
Yeah.
bro, I slept before starting. I was like, nah, I'm tired. I sleep for like an hour, bro. Wake up, and then I started writing my fucking things. Yo, I was in trouble. Well, I wasn't in trouble.
No,
Give me
man.
shit, dude. No, fuck that. I was tired.
I would write that thing so
But
quick so that I could sleep afterwards.
nah, I needed sleep before so my brain's refreshed. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Chad, I don't know why you're acting like I haven't seen the news. You obviously missed the beginning of the stream. Or you are not regular here. I could probably tell you exactly what's on Forex Factory for the whole day. 8 o'clock retail sales for GBP, 10:30 GBP PMI. We've got USD PMI later in the day. I know that we've got Euro PMI as well. What about it? I know there's news today. There's no news this morning other than pound news, and I'm not interested in GJ at all. I've already discussed that. So, what about it? Yes, there's news today. Cool. What's next?
I'm believing this one.
Hopefully it brings some volume. In terms of London session, not so much. I think later in the session, closer to Asian close, you could see some nice movement on the pound pairs. Other than that, it's New York session. So there's not much to talk about right now in terms of news. I mean, okay, so Euro PMI is at 9. Still, doesn't concern me. I'm not trading any Euro pairs. And then this, I think this will be interesting.
We just got triggered in Icon.
Is it?
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, chat. Sell stops have been activated here at 19.99. Stop loss above the previous 30-minute candle at 2001.6. I think it's the previous no, it is the previous 30. Break-even point is at 1996.7. So the idea here is pre-London volume coming in. I would have liked the sell stop on the break of previous 4-hour lows. Was waiting for that 15-minute candle to close and then it just ripped down. So basically on the break of previous candle lows, I know that we've got this level to the left, but going based off the hourly here, just looking at the hourly structure, you've got range down to 1996. And with volume, I'm anticipating that we break through this area at 1999. As we've seen throughout the week. I mean, this is basically the third time we'll see the smooth cloud for the week. Right here. Right here. Right here.
If this breaks through swiftly, then I'm convinced the market's a mirror.
So the first move was actually New York session, but this move down we caught on Wednesday in London, 110 pips. Very nice. I love these setups. I would only trade these setups. So like I say, break even point 1996.7. Your current 30 has no top wick. A little bit tough for him. That's tough. Obviously, I don't really want us to come back and create a top wick. I don't, because then we'll be in drawdown.
Just take note that we pushed to that wick to the left pretty quickly, Icon.
That's true.
I've done my management, I'm just saying for you.
My broker has a top wick. You're breaking that level there.
Let me look. Oh, well, same broker, but yeah, I see the top wick. It's extremely tiny. It's like a fucking 1 tick, not even, maybe like half a tick, but top wick.
So I think at break even, let's see. See, with this candle having no top wick, that just makes it pretty tough. So we've basically tapped into that break even point now. So I will go break even here. So stop loss at break even. And
yeah, we're for real not gonna be greedy about 1 pip, bro.
yeah.
There you
Okay,
go.
I'm gonna secure 50% here as well. Ah, fuck. I haven't secured anything yet, Chad. I'm sorry to be indecisive like that. I wanted to give it a second. Because with this volume, I'm actually anticipating us to drive down to 1994. But if we obviously are showing signs of rejection, yeah, I'll just close 50%. Okay, closing 50%. Close 50% and my stop loss is at break even. Yeah, sorry chat. Sometimes these things just rip at this time. So I wanted to hold off there from closing.
Do a W spin. So Sconna been killing these mornings nice and early, eh? Bro, Jared, stop. God.
I love this.
Beat you, Jared.
I love this pre-London trade on gold.
Thank you, daylight savings.
Yeah, thank you, daylight savings. Nowadays, we've already caught 100 pips by the time the stream would have started.
Oh, well. You want to hear something beautiful, Connor?
Let's hear it.
So I took a sip of my coffee and I just messed a little bit on my pants, but that's not beautiful. That's not what I wanted to tell you. Anyway, so I started my live yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
And after closing 3% now, it's a full 3% up in a current, almost a full 3% running. So
Justice. Oh, well, like, now you're finding Tickmo.
the spreads just open up quite a bit on that on volume, which is I haven't experienced that too much from a live broker, but yeah, seems decent.
See, this is why I didn't really want to close half. I wanted to have the balls, but I didn't have the balls.
Yeah. You're not a greedy cunt. Please stop your nonsense. Yeah. Yes.
It's
How
not
many pips did you
necessarily
grab?
about greed though. It's the confidence in the position. But 100%, obviously, I don't want to be greedy. Close about 22, 23 pips.
Look
See,
at
I
what
do
mate says.
big balance.
Balas. Hey, fucking this thing.
A really good trade, Con. I don't think
Sure,
there was
sure,
any
sure.
shame in closing half there.
Yeah, no.
So
Yeah, no, I wouldn't
really
beat myself up for
convinced.
it. I think I'm happy I closed that off there.
I'm really convinced if that 50 or 30 had a top wick, dude, I think he would have held.
Yeah, no, 100%.
I'm certain.
It's that 30-minute top week story that's like,
Come on, we're gonna stay a bit after in Zoom so we can just chat.
Yeah, sure.
Think about it, Con. Even if you had the confidence, that top wick is like you were going on yesterday. Let's say 10 out of 10, and then there's no top wick. You check it and not
Yeah,
go on like that.
no.
It's something that's affecting your decision making of having the confidence to run it, and that's kind of why you have the trading plan. To like, if you're overconfident, okay, wait, there's this and this and this. Let me rather listen to myself. So I mean, I get what you're saying, but bro, like, I
Yeah,
see
no.
fuck all wrong.
That's
Like nuts.
100%. Like the top week, it did lower the probabilities. So I think closing out half was probably a good call.
And Ned, it's not flu, bro. It's called 420 yesterday.
Fuck.
Yo, bro. Fucking should have came to the driving range, Connor.
Just hold on. In terms of TP2, where I'll secure more, I like this clean traffic here to mirror this for the morning. You see the daily is like, it's sideways. It's really just sideways. Yesterday we closed bullish, but we didn't close above necessarily. I mean, you could still see downside all the way back down to 1980. So I would like to leave a runner here based off this, looking at the 8 hour, the 4 hour. This structure, we failed to break above this 2010 level throughout the week. And we're seeing that bearish momentum come in. I mean, that position on Wednesday, I wanted to hold a bit longer, but you never know. That's the thing. And look how we rejected and came back. But maybe this is the time we actually, just melt all the way to 1950. So I'm not paid to leave a runner, but I'll definitely be securing, let's call it 1994.
Sorry, Con. So for signals, I'm just going to say securing majority at 1994 and leaving a runner.
Yeah, to 0. No, let's just say TP to be decided. To be confirmed. You see, this is the definition of risk comes first. Worry about your risk, how much are you risking, and then let the upside take care of itself. I knew how much I was risking on this position. That was all good. I was happy with the 20 pip, whatever it was, 25 pip stop loss. That's fine. And I knew that there was enough range here for the trade to make sense, for the risk to reward to make sense. But at the same time, on a higher time frame perspective, I could see us running down to like 1950. Will I hold to 1950? Probably not. So I'm just going to remain open to leaving a position to run. But as we fill this most recent clean traffic here to the left, I'll secure the majority of my position.
Connor, don't worry, bro. If it goes to 1950, we'll come back and clip this and be like, we told you so.
Facts.
Best fucking believe we will. Beautiful trade there, Uncle Con.
Thank you.
Hey, say thank you. Yeah, better say thank you. Yes.
Appreciate it. 1994.1 and 1994. Ah, man. Call it 1994.2. This level to the left.
Con, I really don't want to go back to C now quickly, but can you just tell me, did you take this sell off of the 1 hour time frame? Like I know we on like we were looking at 1 hour and stuff like that, but was the setup based off on 1 hour?
So yeah, the 1 hour it closed below, so arguably it closed below the support yet 2001, and then this area I basically sold into the support, but I was anticipating with volume, you know, because if you look at this support here on the 30-minute and 15, it's not there on the hourly. And with the 4 hour setting up the way it was, so it was really building up confidence on the 4 hour and the hourly, and then just executing like on the break of that bearish 15-minute low.
Bro, I'm busy journaling, dude. This trade with the previous trades, like yesterday's trade, is so fucking similar. The numbers and everything, it's ridiculous.
To Wednesday.
What sell stop did we take yesterday? It was yesterday. On the 4 hour.
That was GJ. Sales yesterday was GJ. But Wednesday it was like, it was in the same place as well.
What's the date today? 21st.
Bro, we've taken 3 trades in the same place this week. I think, Jared, didn't we take sales here on Monday as well? We did.
You got
in the same place.
Pips. 110 pips, same place, yeah.
No, that is Wednesday's stream, and then Monday we took the sales. So we've actually caught the same move 3 times this week. No, gold is popping off.
For a similar amount of pips too, you know that.
Yeah.
Like it's been big trades. Each one has been a big trade. I won't lie, I closed full because it's Friday. I don't care. I'm up 5% on my live in 2 days. I'm not gonna still like sit here and think about it, you know. I'm satisfied. Like I get it, but I'll explain that to you later why. But yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm also about to close out a little bit more shortly. What's up, Jared?
Pardon?
So on Monday we took sells at 7:45. On Wednesday we took them at 7:41, and then today also similar time at about 7:30ish. So this market's been rare this week, dude.
Con, I took this. This is why I'm confused. I took this trade yesterday. Jared, remember the trade I told you I took in New York? That was a bit of a fuck up. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. It was on the exact same level, dude.
I'm going to secure basically 80% of my total position right here. So it was about 40 pips. Closed out about 40 pips there. Let me just see the price. $19.95.18. About 39, 40 pips. Crazy. Looks like more. But anyway, still a very nice clean move. And then just, you know, we are moving into this general area here that could pose some problems. So I'll take that. Closing 80% there. Very nice, quick, easy, done, dusted. And then I'm leaving a runner here.
To anyone that was asking, do we have hour streams?
Yeah, today's an hour stream.
Well, technically it could have been like a 35-minute stream because we've been break even, risk-free trade. You just sit here to close partials, that's why.
Yeah. Not TP. I'm going to set a TP at 1970, but I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord with how I manage it. And the thing is, at this point, you know, if you've got a small runner left, so I've got like 20% of my position still running. If you leave that to run, you know, that's basically the same as whatever you closed out now, essentially. So if you made 1%, you know, that run will make you another 1-2% maybe. And also you'll just develop the confidence to hold positions longer. So I really like this idea of us running down a bit further. We do have levels to be careful of. 1990. Obviously this level we're moving into now, 1994, 1995. Hence we've secured the majority right there. But 1990 could pose problems. 1985 could pose some problems. Even 1980 or 1979. But I'm just going to target the lows here for the week and let it run. I won't let it run over the weekend, so... And yeah, we'll see where it's sitting before news as well. So, yeah, like I say, I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord. The link is in the video description. It's a free Discord, so if you're new here, check that out. And I'll send you trade updates for this position. But my TP will be at 1970.
You heard me.
Hmm?
Jared heard
Yeah,
me.
I did.
Yeah, I know. Sell, bro. Sell. Go for it.
Go for it. I'm a negotiate. Fuck.
Bro, I'm
The
sorry,
second
but
this man sells, it's gonna come back and create the top week.
bro, but like honestly, like we fucking like 60, 70 pips in and you sell. No, like sideways.
Sideways.
Yeah, sideways, bro. You get yourself into some consolidation. It's fun.
GJ has me in a position where I'm like, I don't know what to say. Like I say, for the members this morning, I didn't even send a GJ breakdown. I just said, I'm not interested in GJ. I'd rather stay out of it. You're moving into this horrible range here to the left. We are in a pullback in a higher time frame bullish trend. Like, maybe just wait for that pullback to play out. Or wait for news to come out. See if news maybe gives you confirmations to get back into the bars, and then you can look for those bullish setups. Or if the news is really bad, then maybe you've got a bit more confluence to then come down to 165, 500. But like now it's, I don't know, man. Maybe if you get a nice bullish hourly candle here off 166, 500. But for now it's a write-off. The thing is, we in a pullback phase, and we've already had like quite a clean move to the downside. If you're wanting to take more sells, maybe you need to see a resistance formed to see those sells. You know, this is just not structure that I want to work with. I've got nothing to really say about it. How could we take sells at 1999? Should have been here earlier. So guys, I've secured 80% at 40 pips. And it's Friday today. I'm not gonna keep you here any longer than need be. I do want to say thank you for joining today. There's a pinned message there in the chat. Like I say, we'll do a giveaway for the we'll do a free New York session for one of the subscribers of the newsletter. So hit the link in that pinned message. It's just a free newsletter. You need to put your email in there, subscribe. You can unsubscribe anytime. But you know, let's actually see if we can have a look at the newsletter that I sent. I wonder if I'll be able to find it here. Because I mean, so far this week, the newsletters I've basically been following along with everything that I've sent through in there. I'm not gonna find it, but trust me, you don't want to miss it. So go and check that out. And like I say, one of those subscribers, we'll invite you to one of the New York sessions next week. So we'll chat about that on Monday. So make sure you're here on Monday. Make sure you subscribe for the newsletter, and we'll see you next week. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Thanks for joining again, and I'll see you on Monday. Cheers, guys. Stay safe, stay dangerous.